The world is heading for a blue-collar blackout, and most parents still don't realize how serious this is. While students continue chasing degrees, titles, and white-collar prestige, the industries are desperately searching for electricians, plumbers, carpenters, machine operators, caregivers, drivers, technicians, and skilled workers. In fact, experts are now warning that many countries are aggressively importing skilled manpower because their own younger generations no longer want to enter these professions. And slowly, a dangerous imbalance is building. Because societies cannot function only with coders, MBAs, influencers, and office employees. A country also needs people who can build, repair, operate, maintain, heal, install, and execute. But unfortunately, for years, the world has emotionally conditioned students to believe success means only white-collar success. And that mindset created a silent disrespect towards skill-based professions. Today, many students know how to make PowerPoint presentations, but don't know how to solve real-world operational problems. And the irony is, the future economy may reward skilled execution more than ordinary degrees, because AI can automate many repetitive white-collar tasks. But replacing a highly skilled technician, an experienced electrician, a precision welder, or a trained healthcare support worker is far more difficult. And this is exactly why the world is changing its hiring priorities. Please understand this carefully. Skill is not inferior to education. In the future, education without capability may become extremely dangerous. And that is why India now needs a massive shift, from degree obsession towards capability building, from status-based career thinking towards skill-based career respect. Because the future will belong to people who can create value, not only display qualifications. And maybe our biggest educational mistake was making students believe that dignity exists. This is the problem in most countries that have not realized it early enough.